The marketing world is changing, fast. Every day new technologies are emerging, reshaping the landscape of how businesses connect with their audiences. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming how businesses reach their customers. From personalized recommendations to automated customer service, AI is making marketing smarter and more efficient. AI is like having an extra brain for your marketing team, one that can analyze massive amounts of data, understand customer behavior, and predict future trends. It can process information at a speed and accuracy that humans simply can't match. Imagine knowing what your customers want, even before they do. AI can help you anticipate their needs and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. That's the power of AI. It provides insights that were previously unimaginable, giving businesses a competitive edge. Traditional marketing methods are becoming less effective in this data-driven world. The old ways of doing things just don't cut it anymore. Businesses need to adapt to stay competitive, and AI offers the tools to do just that. By integrating AI into their marketing strategies, companies can stay ahead of the curve. By embracing AI, companies can unlock unprecedented levels of personalization, efficiency, and ultimately, success in their marketing endeavors. AI allows for more targeted campaigns, better customer engagement, and improved ROI. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Those who leverage this technology will lead the way in the new era of marketing. But before we dive right in, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive is at the forefront of this AI revolution, providing businesses with cutting-edge tools to navigate the complex world of digital marketing. It's not just about automating tasks. Onpassive AI is about understanding your target audience on a deeper level and tailoring your marketing efforts to their specific needs and preferences. Imagine having a marketing assistant that works 24/7, analyzing data, identifying trends, and optimizing campaigns in real time. That's what Onpassive AI brings to the table. With its suite of AI-powered tools, businesses can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources to focus on strategy and creativity. One of the most significant advantages of AI in marketing is its ability to personalize customer experiences. By leveraging advanced algorithms, businesses can tailor their marketing efforts to meet the unique preferences and needs of each individual customer. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of customer data, including browsing history, purchase behavior, and social media activity, to create detailed customer profiles. These profiles help marketers understand their audience on a deeper level. This allows businesses to deliver highly targeted messages and offers that resonate with individual customers. Personalized marketing not only increases engagement, but also builds stronger customer relationships. Predictive analytics is another game-changing aspect of AI marketing. It goes beyond personalization to forecast future trends and behaviors. By analyzing historical data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and predict future customer behavior. This foresight allows businesses to stay ahead of the curve. This enables businesses to anticipate customer needs, optimize pricing strategies, and even prevent customer churn. Proactive measures can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Imagine knowing which customers are likely to make a purchase and when. This insight can transform marketing strategies and drive sales. That's the power of predictive analytics. It empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions that lead to better outcomes and sustained growth. Section 4. AI in Action Success Stories. The impact of AI in marketing is already being felt across industries. Companies like Amazon and Netflix have been using AI for years to personalize product recommendations and content suggestions, leading to increased customer engagement and sales. But it's not just tech giants that are reaping the benefits of AI. Smaller businesses are also finding success with AI-powered marketing tools. For example, Sephora, a beauty retailer, uses AI to personalize its email marketing campaigns and provide tailored product recommendations through its mobile app, resulting in higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Section 5. The future is AI. Embrace the transformation. The future of marketing is undeniably intertwined with AI. This powerful technology is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and innovation. As AI technology continues to evolve, We can expect even more sophisticated and personalized marketing solutions. Voice search optimization, hyper-personalized content, and predictive analytics are becoming essential tools for marketers. AI-powered chatbots are just a glimpse of what the future holds. These intelligent systems can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and enhance user experience like never before. Businesses that embrace AI today will be better positioned to thrive in the increasingly competitive digital landscape. By leveraging AI, companies can streamline operations, improve decision-making, and deliver more targeted marketing campaigns. The key takeaway is clear. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses connect with their customers. This transformation is reshaping industries and creating new possibilities. Embrace the power of AI and unlock the future of marketing for your business. By integrating AI into your strategies, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve remarkable success. The future is bright for those who are ready to embrace this transformation. Don't wait. Start your AI journey today and revolutionize your marketing efforts. For more information about marketing with Onpassive's AI power, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.